Okay, so I'm back with another video. This is a facial. This is your first time tuning in. Hey girl, what's up? What are you doing here without being subscribed? Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can catch all these uploads. So right now I am trying out a charcoal strip. This is the brand. Hopefully you guys can see that. And right now I'm working off natural lighting, so hopefully it's great in here. So it says removes blackheads, unclogs pores, works in 10 minutes. Cleansing nose strip. It's by Global Beauty Care, and I picked this up at TJ Maxx. Yeah, so I'm trying it. You actually get 8 strips, and I actually found this in the clearance section. I always wanted to try something like this, so this has to be on here for 10 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and do my facial with you guys. So yeah, hopefully this doesn't hurt too bad, because I've seen a lot of people try these and these things have just really been hurting. Like when they snatch them off, it's just like terrible. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, what's up y'all? I am back. It's been about 9 minutes and 52 seconds. So it'll be right on the nose. So I'm just gonna peel this off. I didn't get much from that, if you guys can see. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But I'm gonna hop right in to my facial. So as you guys can see, I have some problem areas. These mainly are hormonal areas. Up in here, these areas, anything around here, from here to here could be hormonal, and then depending on the spot, it could be stress. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing Mary Kay products. So here is the charcoal mask I'm gonna be utilizing. That's the first thing I'm gonna be putting on my face. Now this is a utensil, and I'll get the proper word for you in just a second. This is a silicone facial mask applicator. This is what this is. So although I've already sanitized, washed my hands, I'm gonna go in with this facial, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm actually using. A clean surface, of course, but here's the Mary Kay. These are the application dividers that I use as well. So what I'm going to do is, because after I put that strip on my face, I'm just going to kind of get it moist a little bit. And just blotting. And I'm going to go up underneath here a little bit. And just blotting. So as you can see, from this morning to now, I haven't done too much damage. So I'm just going to make sure this is mixed up really good and start applying. So normally what I do is I apply underneath my eye and work my way over, down, and then I come up. So I'm going to tell you what I'm talking about. And this is helping you so you don't use too much product. Let's see if we can get a little bit more light in here for you guys. And if you guys are interested in any of these products that I'm using today, let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely get you the information. So the silicone applicator is very smooth. I'm gonna just let you know, you guys can purchase these at any drugstore or beauty supply. They also sell them at Dollar Tree. You might find it at your Dollar Tree. Let me just not tell you they're there. I mean, they're there, and then you go there and then you don't find them. Make sure you don't get any on your lip. So yeah, get this all on her smooth, and I probably used too much. You don't even need that much product, to be honest. I used a lot because I want to get my neck. I have no idea why I'm breaking out. And honestly, I'm going to just be real with you guys. It could be a reason why. It could be hormonal. It's almost about that time of the month. And then the other thing is, I have been eating a lot of seafood here lately. Just be honest. I did go on a couple dates and I didn't want to be rude when they ordered my food for me. So with that being said, I kind of ate wild over this last couple of weeks. So my face has just been like, hey, what you doing? You know, you're going to have to give us a little bit more warning so we can be prepared in the inside. Because what you bringing in this camp, we ain't prepared for this. And your body will let you know. You know. It could have been in the environment. It could have been the airplane I was on. It could have just been a lot of different things. So, this has to sit, get dry. And I believe, is this the peel off one? I'm just going to read. Apply even layer all over your skin, okay, for the mask. And then you're going to let dry, leave on the skin 10 to 20 minutes. Oh no, you're going to rinse with warm water. Pat dry 1 to 2 times. Oh, do it 1 to 2 times per week. I haven't used this mask in like over a year, maybe even longer. Just because I've been using other stuff like Tatcha and Urban Decay. They had some products that I was just trying out, like demo products. So yeah, and you guys can tell I have a ton left. So look at that. So I'm gonna come back after this dries, you guys, and then we're gonna do the next step. Okay, so this is the Clear Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask by Mary Kay. Okay, guys, so it's been on right now for approximately 10 to 13 minutes. I kind of left upstairs where the timer was. As you can see, these bumps are kind of starting to break up a little bit, if you can tell how they're turning white. And get a little bit closer. So all the whiteness is like, this product literally brings all the dirt, debris, oils that's not supposed to be in your skin up out of it. This is what this product does. So yeah, that's why these bumps are turning white. All right, y'all, so I'm back and I have it off. So now I'm just using a paper towel to pat dry. And these are not the cheap ones, so please don't use cheap stuff on your face. These are the ones from Costco's. And then I just want to get this like this. Whew, kind of like air dry and whatnot. Next, I'm going to use this before I go on the moisturizer. This is still under the Time Wise system. Age minimized 3D. This is eye cream. So you just need a little bit. And I want to say a little bit less than a pea size. And you're going to put it along here. Okay. And now I'm going to go in with the moisturizer under the same line. You just need a little bit. I actually moisturize my forehead like that, my neck. I get everywhere. And also, this does have some mechanisms in it. You know, when you go outside, there's like debris, pollen, etc., etc. It keeps your face from, it has like an extra protection to keep your face from getting any extra dirt build up from getting into your skin. I'm going to be extra today. Now this is not a Mary Kay product. Just a disclaimer. This is Drunk Elephant. I'm going to super moisturize. And this has SPF because we're actually headed to the lake. So I want to make sure that I'm good and moisturized before we go to the lake and out with the sun. Even though it's only like 77 degrees out, you want to make sure you're still hydrated and you have some good SPF. Because, in case y'all didn't know, black folks still burn. We burn too. It's just not as noticeable. So, but yeah. Hope you all enjoyed this skincare routine with Ashley today. Again, I'm going to just go over the products. This is the Clear Proof Deep Charcoal Cleansing Mask. I use that. I use the 4-in-1 cleanser 3D, same line. I also use the moisturizer, the eye cream. And I'm not going to show the Drunk Elephant, even though I did use that. That was an extra because, again, I was going to the lake. But all these Mary Kay products are awesome. Like I said, if you're looking for additional information, let me know. Leave it in the comments down below. And I'll be sure to give you an updated video, or I'll leave the information in the comments. Check you all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.